Hey guys, Dr. Beau here. 'Tis the season for lots of sinus pressure, sinus pain, and overall headaches and migraines. Here in my practice, I've been asked many times, Beau, do you know any self-massage techniques that you can do at home or I can do at home to relieve some sinus pressure and sinus pain? So I want to take a couple minutes and just share that with you guys because my patients have been seeing a lot of value from it, and hopefully you will as well. So first thing that we're going to do is, most of the time people have sinus pressure kind of right through the eye region, kind of underneath here as well. So what we're going to do is you're just going to take your pointer fingers and you're going to go just on the inside portions of your nose, really close to your eye, and you're just going to do some circles for about 10 or 15 seconds. You may notice that there's some congestion, some pressure in there. We just want to start to try to get that area kind of moving. We want to kind of put some motion or some energy into that area. So you're going to do about 10 or 15 seconds here. Then you're going to go a little bit lower on the nose here. Again, just creating circles. I kind of use the term circles and strokes. So we're creating circles. We're just creating motion here in next to the nose. And then lastly, a little bit lower down through the nose, almost to the maxilla. That's this area, that's your cheekbone area here. And then what you're gonna do after about 10 seconds of that, you're gonna take two fingers, you're gonna start up in where you started when you're close to the nose, and we're just gonna make some strokes, kind of going downward and pushing out underneath the cheekbones, underneath the maxilla, and kind of stroking all the way out through there. Again, you're just gonna press in, and you're just going to take some strokes. Takes about 5, maybe 10 seconds to go all the way out. At the same time, try to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just kind of trying to work to clear the sinuses, clear the mucus, clear the congestion through here. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to go back to circles, but now we're going to go underneath the maxilla, underneath the cheekbones, and again, we're going to press down and kind of make circles for about 10 to 15 seconds. There's lots of little pressure points here underneath the cheekbone. Sometimes people will spend up to a minute going to each little different area here, maybe 10 to 15 seconds on each one of them, just doing little circles. Again, little circles all the way through. Then the second portion we're going to stroke, so we're going to press on the underneath of that cheekbone, and we're going to stretch all the way out, trying to push all the way back, almost towards the ear. This area is where your lymphatics will help to drain everything out. So as we go through everything, we're always wanting to make sure that we spread across and then we go down. If we can get it down into our lymphatic channels, the body will help clear it out. So far, we've done the nose, we've done underneath the maxilla, then we're going to go to the forehead. So you're just going to go just above your eyebrows here. And again, you're going to create some pressure as you're doing some circles for about 10 or 15 seconds. Then you're going to move 10 or 15 seconds out here. Again, 10 or 15 seconds, a little bit further out. Good. Just like that. Then you're going to take your two fingers, you're going to press in, and we're just going to clear all the way out and then clear down. In addition to that, you can go up into the top of your forehead to clear out. And then you can take two fingers on the sides of your temples here, just like when you have a headache and you want to kind of relieve some of that tension in the temporalis muscles. These are the muscles on the side of the head. We're just going to do some circles through here as well. And then last thing that we're going to do is we're just going to do some stroking and taking down. So we're going to work on taking and stroking out, pushing it down, going to the front underneath the eyebrows, pushing it down. Good. Underneath the nose, stroking down and out, underneath the maxilla, underneath your cheekbones, stroking out and down. And then lastly, take about 10 or 15 seconds and just try to push some of the congestion, push some of that fluid down and out through there. Now guys, I hope that if you did that, it'll help to clear some of your sinuses. You can do it multiple times a day. Some people will literally almost feel a relief instantly. Other people may take 3-4 times before you start noticing the congestion and stuff clearing from there. Lastly, after that, I always tell people it's always good to go do some inhalation. So if you're gonna get a hot shower with some eucalyptus, some mint, help to breathe in through the nose and just to clear everything out. All right, hope this little video helped you. I know a lot of my patients have been asking me about it, so I thought I would, like I said, put it on here for you. If you guys have questions, please ask me down in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. I'll talk to you soon.